Hello everyone, I'm Swapnil Kaushik, your childbirth educator and lactation consultant. And in this video, let's discuss a very common topic, which is the most asked and searched. What does ovulation feel like? What are the changes in the body when you're ovulating? When are you most fertile? And the signs to look out for, and why do these symptoms occur? So these are all the questions that we'll take up in this video. Firstly, it is due to the hormonal changes that are causing these symptoms and making you feel the way you do. The two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, which are released during the menstrual cycle period, are very high, and they are responsible for these symptoms. Now, one might feel all of these symptoms, which are going to be discussed in this video, or might not feel a few. So it depends from person to person. Now let's discuss, when does ovulation happen? Ovulation typically occurs once a month. It occurs mid-cycle or about 14 days before the start of your next period. The exact timings depends and varies depending on the length of your menstrual cycle. Now, for example, your menstrual cycle is of 28 days, then you are likely to ovulate around day 14. And if it is a 30-day cycle, then you're likely to ovulate around day 16. How do I know I'm ovulating? Well, there are some symptoms that indicate about your ovulation, and let's discuss all of them. Number one, rise in body temperature. If you have a set lifestyle routine and you fix a time in the morning as soon as you wake up and check your temperature, you will see an increase of 1 degree Fahrenheit. So generally, our body temperature daily would be around 97.5 to 98.4, and on the ovulation day, it will be about 1 degree higher than this. Number two, headaches. You will experience mild to severe headaches because all the hormones FSH, LH, progesterone, estrogen are all at their peak during ovulation. Number three, heightened sense of smell. During this period, you may generally become hypersensitive to smell. The olfactory receptors in the nose, they become more sensitive to smell. Number four, sensitive breasts. You might feel tingling, some kind of pricky sensation or little pain around your breasts. Next is bloating. So one might experience little discomfort and slight pain in the abdomen due to bloating and gas. Some might also experience constipation due to restriction in the bowel movements. It is again due to the high progesterone in your body. Next is mid-cycle pain. One may experience twinge of pain on either side, either left or right, of the lower abdomen. So what happens is only one egg releases from the either ovary. So whichever side the egg releases from, the capsule inside, it stretches because the egg ruptures, causing minute mid-cycle pain. The other point is wetness. Your vaginal discharge will increase. It will look like this watery discharge, like literally like egg white, more slippery and stretchy discharge to help carry the sperms better for pregnancy to happen. Next point is cervix position changes, due to which you might feel heaviness in your groin area. So it is definitely not bloating or gas, but it is some other kind of heaviness. Lastly, some may also experience light spotting or bleeding. Basically, ovulation is a key part of the menstrual cycle. It prepares the uterus for pregnancy. So you have all the pre-pregnancy symptoms. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such content, do like, share and subscribe.